Hello YT, and today we're gonna do another video. And let's start. This is my, if you have an Instagram account, or Instagram, you can follow me. This is my name, Michael Car Explorer, and I'm gonna put it now on private way security. Wait, no, I'm the, which one is security? No, privacy. I'm gonna put it on public. Change. So here's my channel here. So you can go and check out my YouTube. Where is it? Here. This is my YouTube channel. There is the new video about Dancing Simulator. The code, if you play it. So what game should we play? Go to Roblox. I found a cool game for those guys who do like car games and stuff. This game here, the driving simulator. This is a cool game. Sure, you can buy the passes and get, let's see. Now let's see here. Let's play it. It's a cool game. The owner of this group who created this, Diesoft, it is his friend of Albert Flamingo. He's his good friend. That he creates his Felipe hat and stuff. Now you start. I played this game before. You have a daily join. Then when you come in, it will say choose your first car. I choose my first car, this one here. There, you choose whatever you want. It has a good hand, and you can go like this. See, you have. Then if you have, you go exit car, so you go back in garage. Here you do your primary, the colors and the stuff. No like vehicle simulator, you put nitros, you don't need to do anything. Here, while you drive, in some point you will get like some money. Like here, if you have the VIP, you will buy, you will get this VIP limo. Here is the other cars. You see, here it's the price. There's cool cars here. This 3.2. A lot of cars. From the start, if you are a beginner, you choose your first car and then you choose one of those. But this is a cool car. But I'm saving for maybe for this. No, this I can buy now. I have 25,000. But I'm gonna buy. Where is that? This one, Dodge Challenger. I need another 9,000 for this. But the good thing on the next video will be buying it. The next video will be buying the Challenger. Yeah. My car, okay. Exit. Let's do some driving. Have a drift. It's different